Hey guys, DK here, back with the Beyblade video, and here we have Dragon Caesar's second battle. Thank you, Buster, for being an idiot. Let me just, yeah, we have Dragon Caesar, Wheel Fang, and it's more in a shorter driver mode, and left spin absorb versus Buster Xcalibur 1- sword. You suck. Actually, jeez, that was rude. I don't care. Let's go. First up to 5. Alright, use the wall to rebound to hit Dragon Caesar head on. Oh, let's go. Dragon Caesar? Hey, Dragon Caesar takes that one. I really love my Buster Xcalibur because it literally just changes from normal mode to Buster mode in mid-battle. I just think that's really cool. Kind of how what Flame Sagittario from Metal Fight should have been. With the spin track, should have been able to just if it gets hit hard enough, the claws come out on the spin track. But whatever. You can't change that now. 7 years ago, 7 years plus actually. It's currently 1-0, and Buster cannot handle the power of left spin Dragon Caesar. I'll do one more and left spin attack. Actually, left spin sword. Ugh. And then I'll switch to right spin sword. Alright. 2-0. I just love how the Fang driver works. Its movement is so boss, man. Ooh. Buster got that one. Alright. Right spin absorb. Consistently getting 2 clicks off the Buster in left rotation, so let's see what we can do in right rotation. Caesar? Let's go! Come on, Caesar, let's go. Oh, okay, 2-2. I did not like that launch, so just get that back real quick. Dragon Caesar kind of does not like to go on the launchers, right? So, okay. It's a juggernaut when it comes to defense, though. All right, so I'm gonna switch up the gameplay. Currently 3-2. Dragon Caesar losing, so right spin attack. What does it tell you? Now, please hit Dragon Caesar. There we go. Alright. Had to check if Buster got that by hair. It's 4-2. Dragon Caesar 4-2. Come back to this one. Oh, God. Yeah, thanks, Buster, for just wearing down my stamina like a little baby boy. Yeah, that's why I still won, idiot. Yeah, 4-3. Oh my God. Currently, it's 4-3. Oh man, what a shot right there. Now it's 4-4. This is game set match. Actually, okay, that was. Yeah, Drake, you probably would have won that. Right. Oh! Snipe, I don't even care. Snipe Launch didn't even save Buster from this one. A score of 6-4. Dragon Caesar takes it. If you guys like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. I don't care. That was sick. Buster was like, I'm gonna snipe you. And I was like, nah fam. I'm just gonna defend well against it. Click the notification bell so you know if I want to upload it. And I will see you guys next Beyblade video. I think that's just still going to be my outro.